Hello. Today we are going to work on getting ready for algebra. What we're going to do is we're going to try to expand the product. Expand the product 9 times 3x plus 7. Azalea, do you know how to expand the product?
No.
Okay, so this is called the distributive rule. We're going to first anything to the first term and then the same thing to the next term. So this is going to be the distribution rule. 9 times 3x plus 9 times 7.
Does it only record the sound?
The distribution rule, it's actually recording everything. It's recording here, we distribute to there, and we also distribute to there. If you take a look, you'll see this 9 goes here. You'll see this 9 also goes there. Does it make sense? And then what we have to do is we have to set it. We now do the next term. What's 9 times 3?
9 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27.
Good. So this is 27. 27x. And then what's 9 times 7?
9 times 7. 63.
Good. 63. So our answer is 9 times the quantity 3x plus 7 is equal to 27x plus 63. Questions?